Does your garage door hesitate like this when you go to close it? I'm gonna show you how to fix it. It's really easy. On your garage door, you have these pulleys that this cable that attaches to the very bottom right on. And that goes all the way back to the spring here. This pulley's totally shot. The bearings are totally gone on it, and you can actually see it actually digging into the side of the frame here. Here's the one on the other side. And you want to change these with the door raised, because then the tension is off the spring and off this cable. You can get a 4-pack of these on Amazon for about 17 bucks. These are heavy duty. They're rated for 200 pounds. And all you got to do is swap those out. Just make sure you do it with the door up so there's no spring tension on them.